Hey, look who's up.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm better. Thank you.
Jonas, get a picture of me with this big smelly beast. Okay, wait. Here.
You want a proper picture? Get your head inside. Closer.
Closer?
Come on, get in.
Okay.
Yo, Jonas, please tell me you got that.
I got that, DJ!
That's not funny, man!
No, like seriously, it's funny. Look, watch this. We got the wall in the water. We got the wall in the water. We got the wall in the water.
Hey, Cheyenne.
We got the wall in the water.
Yeah, next to the Meg. Look, remember the bite marks on the O-level?
Well, how do you like that? That was a serious man versus nature moment. Just glad things went our way.
It didn't go our way. Not for Toshi. And not for science. We did what people always do. Discover, and then destroy.
Hey, I will end you.
At least you can use this as your dating that pic.
Give you a little leg, you know?
Yeah. Woo. Oh, yeah. Jellyfish.